Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve one of the most annoying YouTube errors, that is, you are offline on Android device. Many users have complained about this issue, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix YouTube error your offline Android with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Most probably your offline error arises on YouTube due to weak internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then fix it by trying some basic tips like: turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 2. Restart your YouTube app and device. Since the issue is related to app, so the second thing you need to do to resolve this issue is relaunching the YouTube app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the error or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. This can help in fixing YouTube your offline Android. Solution 3. Clear YouTube app cache and data. Clearing YouTube app cache is another method that can help you removing all the temporary stored files and fix speed, app error and network related issues easily. So, the same thing goes for YouTube as well. Simply clear your YouTube app cache by following the below steps. Navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the YouTube. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Reset device date and time on Android. Settings of the time and date are one of the most natural things. But, when you fail to do so, you might face some issues, including YouTube your offline error on Android. So, here, in this case, you have to reset the device date and time via Settings. For this, you have to go to the Settings app. Next, scroll down to the Date and Time category and click on it. Here check for your device date and time. If not, click on the Change Date and Time option, and toggle on the button for Set Time Zone automatically. Now, reboot your Android device and check if YouTube your offline is solved or not. Solution 5. Uninstall YouTube app update. The last solution that you can try to solve YouTube your offline error is to uninstall the YouTube app updates. To do so, you have to open your Settings app, Apps/Applications or App Management, then tap on App List. And now search for the YouTube app. Here, you will get 2 dots icon at the top right corner of your phone screen. Tap on it. Now, you will see Uninstall Updates option, tap on it. Finally, open the app and see whether you are now able to stream your favorite videos online. So, this is all about fixing how to solve YouTube your offline problem. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.